Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. I'm Giovanni Dennis, and cricket is where we start as Johnson Charles, with his fourth T20 century, led the West Indies to a comfortable 76-run win over hosts Nepal in Kirkpatur this morning to take the Caribbean side within one win of clinching their five-match series. Charles hit 13 fours and 7 sixes in a top score of 119 not out, as the Windies A, batting first, posted 227 for 3. Charles got support from Andre Fletcher, who made 53 as two Nepal bowlers ended with a wicket. Jamaican Fabian Allen made 19. Now in their run chase, Nepal were bowled out for 151 in 19.2 overs. Lokesh Bam and Karan Casey both made 28. Gudakesh Moti ended with 2 for 28, while Hayden Walsh picked up 3 for 28. Allen returned to claim 1 for 20. The fourth game in the series will be played on Thursday. Still on cricket, women's cricket now, that is, Captain Hayley Matthews had all confidence in her team as the West Indies women defeated Pakistan women by 2 runs in Karachi to take an unassailable 3-0 lead in their 5-match T20 series. Matthews starred with both bat and ball, hitting 63 from 49 deliveries while claiming figures of 2 for 22. Matthew gave credit to their opponents but knew that the team would have gotten the win. Now, the next match in the series will also be in Karachi on Thursday. President of the Jamaica Lacrosse Association, Calbert Hutchinson, says that the recognition of the sport is certainly growing after the announcement that lacrosse and cricket are in consideration for the Central American and Caribbean Games set for the Dominican Republic in 2026. Hutchinson thinks this will not only benefit the island but others in the region. Now, both sports have been confirmed for the 2028 Olympic Games to be hosted in Los Angeles in the United States. And Tyrese Maxey scored 46 points as the Philadelphia 76ers stunned the New York Knicks 112-106 in overtime to keep their Eastern Conference playoff first-round hopes alive. The Knicks, leading by 6 points with 29 seconds remaining, looked poised to clinch the series before Maxey's late burst, including a remarkable 34-footer from the logo, which sent the game into overtime. The Sixers then triumphed in a back and forth tussle in New York to peg the Knicks back 3-2 in Game 5 of the best-of-7 series. Elsewhere, the injury-hit Milwaukee Bucks triumphed in their must-win tie with the Indiana Pacers, winning 115-92. The Bucks, trailing 3-1 in the series and missing the injured stars Giannis and Damian Lillard, looked to be heading for defeat after the Pacers raced to a 31-23 lead in the first quarter. But the Bucks, led by Chris Middleton and Bobby Portis's 29 points apiece, took control in the second and third quarters before seeing out a victory. Game 6 takes place in Indiana on Thursday. Now, in the other Eastern Conference game, Donovan Mitchell sunk 28 points, including 14 in the fourth quarter, as the Cleveland Cavaliers edged the Orlando Magic 104-103 to take a 3-2 lead. The Magic had fought back from 2-0 down to level the series after recording emphatic wins in Game 3 and 4 in Florida. The Cavaliers' win ensures they will have the chance to clinch the series in Orlando in Game 6 on Friday. And that's it for your midday sports. I'm Giovanni Dennis. So Shane, it's back to you.
Thanks, Giovanni. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.